Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need admin access and a ready disclaimer text before you begin. Once you have that, open your Facebook page and go to Settings. Make sure you know where you want the link, a pinned post, the About section, or a custom tab. Start by drafting a clear, concise disclaimer, short sentences, and required legal phrases. Save that draft in a document. Now navigate to the area you chose. I'll show posting and linking next so your disclaimer is visible and accessible. You'll create the actual link now. If using a pinned post, paste the short disclaimer, add a clear call to action, then include the external URL and pin the post to top. Once done, go to About or Additional Info and paste a shortened version with the same link so visitors find it in two places. If you prefer a tab, add a custom tab or content app and paste the disclaimer HTML or link. Make sure the URL is HTTPS and opens in a new tab for better UX. Finish by verifying the link works everywhere. Test on desktop and mobile, logged in and out to confirm visibility. Once verified, update templates or post captions with a short CTA pointing back to the disclaimer. Make sure the pinned post stays at top and the About entry displays properly. If something goes wrong, clear your browser cache, recheck your page role, and ensure external hosting permits hot linking. If the tab fails, re-add the app or use the About section as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.